Did you know these important facts? Rainwater contains vitamin B12. Pineapple juice is 5 times more effective than cough syrup. It also prevents cold and flu. Fresh carrot contains 0% fat. Fresh cucumbers are 96% water, and if consumed, it can reduce body fat. Drinking black tea can prevent lung damage from the smoking. Sucking a piece of clove after a meal helps in reducing acidity in the stomach. To produce a pound of honey, a single bee would have to visit 2 million flowers. Wearing headphones for just an hour will increase the bacteria in your ear by 700 times. An egg contains every vitamin except vitamin C. If consumed, it gives almost all vitamins for our body. Our brain uses same amount of power as 10-watt light while in use. Eating chocolate while studying helps the brain to retain new information immediately. Stomach acid, concentrated HCl, hydrochloric acid, is strong enough to dissolve even a razor in the stomach. If you are coughing uncontrollably, raise your hands above your head and it will stop immediately. Our body gives enough heat in 30 minutes to boil 1.5 liters of water. Please like and share these interesting facts. Thank you.